Hello from Grusbrottet, this artificial lake made out of a gravel pit in Värmdö, in the most beautiful nature. So this is the first artificial lake I'm visiting in Sweden this year. I have been previous years to the Blue Lagoon in Eckerö. That is very good, and the water was blue, clear blue. This one over here is not so blue, but it is very nice, and I already did temperature check of the water, and it's 22 degrees Celsius in it. Outdoor temperature right now currently it is 21 degrees Celsius, though on this last day of July, 31st of July, and beach day number 110 on my Sweden beach adventures. So yes, I'm out in Värmdö exploring, and I thought to make a bit of a different beach adventure, as I'm usually showing you now the sea. Currently this in summer, and in spring and autumn I'm showing you also the natural lakes, which there are a lot in Sweden. But right now I'm here exploring this artificial lake in Värmdö that is actually very close to the sea here, and it might have been part of the water that is coming from the actual sea as well. So you can walk around the lake. It's probably around 1 kilometer to walk, so it's not that big of a lake, and there are kind of sandy entrances throughout the lake that you can use to get into the water, and it gets deep quite fast also. But let's try it out and show you what I mean by that. Yes, to get here it's a bit of a challenge because there are not so many buses that go by here. You should take the bus from Slussen that goes to Boda actually, and there are only a few of them per day. Right, here we can see what is the source of the material here as we look here in the water as well. Look at the majestic artificial lake, and it's quite a nice day to explore as well. Yeah, I have now basically walked almost half of the lake, so that's why I'm telling you it's not that huge, and there is forest all around as well that you can see. And yes, let's then get into the water. Yes, the sun is back, so let's then get going and take a swim in Grusbrottet Lagunen, this lagoon here in Värmdö, Stockholm. So it is not as blue as I thought it would be, as the name lagoon mentions, and you see it's get deep very fast, and there are basically you can get into the water from all around the lake. It is the same texture in the water, and I guess also it gets also colder as you go further in, but at one place actually it is a bit more shallow to walk, but I chose this one. It was more quiet, as there are quite a few people around the lake, but still there is place for everyone. So beach adventures with Chris from Grusbrottet Lagunen in Värmdö. Let's then enjoy! Amazing! What an amazing feeling! Look at that! It's so beautiful and super deep as well. So it was a worthy visit here on this 31st of July to end the July with a different beach adventure than usual. I might take a visit to the sea later. Let's see if the weather allows, as rain is on its way later today. So look at it, look what I am seeing right now from my perspective. This artificial lake, and there is even the small cliffs there that I have started this video to film from, that are very good to chill as well if you're not a fan of this grus, or how should I say, gravel pit right here. So yeah, majestic nature indeed. Grusbrottet in Värmdö. Alright, I'm going to be enjoying here and swimming because it's quite nice and beautiful, and the water is also very clean as well. So yeah, then that's a wrap from Grusbrottet, Lagunen here in Värmdö. Thanks so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.